Robin's little baby bird. Naughty boy snuck it in the house when we said no pets allowed, knowing that their dad loves birds. And this particular breed is from Bolivia. ¿Sabes hablar en español? Mana entendengichu manachu. Oh, he only speaks Quechua. And he loves it out here in the sun. We're sitting out on the balcony. We're both like birds stuck in our cage. Me because of my surgery, him because he's a bird. Poor thing. But he loves sitting out here. We got his wings trimmed so he can't fly away, but he loves playing out here and he loves rice. He's definitely Bolivian. Hey, Pooh. Hey, Rich. Say something. Say something.